You haven't started your ATM business because you don't think you have enough money. We're going to talk about why that's bullshit in this video right now. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that will provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why would you want consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? It's going to be different for everybody, but a lot of folks that come to this channel and watch this and want to learn about the ATM business, they want to get out of their 9-to-5 jobs. They want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. They want their time back, right? Then you have the folks that want to supplement their retirement, or maybe this is their retirement that they're looking to start, right? Then you have the people that want to start investing smaller amounts of cash to make a decent return instead of large amounts of cash to make a decent return. And then you got the folks that want to just create family wealth, like legacy wealth, right? Wealth for their families, their children, their grandchildren, and beyond. And then you have people that have a reason that I don't even know what it is, right? It's personal to them, right? So there's all different reasons. But here's the thing: if you'd like me to help you start your ATM business and to cut that time frame down to have you reach your goal, which that's the most important thing, cutting the time down, right? Because we're not getting more time, we're running out of time. But then I can help. Just go to atmtrainingvideo.com, or better, just click the link in the description below, enter your email, watch a training video there, and then book a call with my team and see if we're fit to work together, okay? All right, so before we get into this video, something really important I need you to do. Two things, really. First, give me some thumbs ups, right? I know you're like, Carey, but I don't know if I'm gonna like the video yet. I promise you're gonna like it. Well, you might not like to hear it, but you need to hear it. So in the end, you're gonna like it. So just give me a thumbs up, okay? And then in the corner, it could be this corner, or it could be this corner. Like right, one of these corners right here, there's a little ATM. Click it. Subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification, select always, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. Okay? All right, so this is driving me crazy with you guys. I'm not gonna lie. Okay? And just know that this video, I'm coming from a place of love. I love you, all right? And that's where I'm coming from here, all right? So a lot of you, I'm tired of hearing, okay? I'm tired of your excuses. My team's tired of your excuses, all right? Your wife's tired of your excuses. Your kids are tired of your excuses. Your friends are tired of your excuses. You're probably tired of your own damn excuses, to be honest with you, right? But I'm really tired of the people that tell me, I can't start an ATM business. I don't got no money. I don't got no money. That's the biggest crock of bullshit you could tell yourself, okay? Right? Because here's the situation. Here's the deal. Can you start an ATM business with no money? Obviously, you need money to start an ATM business, right? ATMs cost money. You got to put cash in a machine, right? You might have to buy a modem. You might want to start a business entity, right? There's all kinds of things. You might want to get insurance. There's all kinds of things that cost money, right? So you need money. You need a contract, right? You need money to start an ATM business. But can you start an ATM business with no money? That's the question, right? Now you might say, hey, I got $2,000 or $3,000, whatever it is, but maybe you got no money. That's where I'm going to go on. Can you start an ATM business with no money? Here is the answer to that question. And yes, I'm still too lazy to go downstairs and get a new ones of these. But can you start an ATM business with no money? The answer is yes. Yes, you can. And then you're like, but Carey, you just freaking told me it costs money to buy an ATM. It costs money to put the... Yeah, it costs money. Yes, it costs money. Common sense. But that doesn't mean you can't still start an ATM business. Okay? I know you're like, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Here's the thing, guys. There are so many resources out there in this world that we can use to help us do things, even if we don't have any money. Right? So many, right? And the way that we get this done, the way that we get things done and start an ATM business when we have no money is by doing this. Now this is going to be a word that you might not like to hear, but this is what you're going to need to do. If you have no money or a little bit of money and you want to start an ATM business, you're going to have to start to do this. Think. Yeah, you're going to have to think. Stop being lazy. Stop being lazy with your mindset. Stop being lazy and not thinking how you can do this. Seriously, I told you, I'm coming from a place of love. Stop being lazy. Stop telling yourself you can't do this. Stop telling yourself, I got no money, I can't do this. It's bullshit. Change the way you think. Okay? Seriously. How can you use all the resources in the world that are available to you in 2022 and beyond, right, to make this happen? Okay? This isn't rocket science. You need to just stop being lazy. Yeah, I'm calling you lazy. Okay? I am. Stop being lazy and think. Okay? Because here's the thing. All right, so here, let me show you this. So, 2009, Carey, that's me, had $0 in her bank account. It's 2022. You have $0 in your bank account. What a scene. I had $0 in 2009 and a lot of debt. And you had $0 in 2022. Maybe you're in a lot of debt too. I don't know. I don't know you. I don't know your situation. But I know you say you got no money. Or you don't got enough money. Right? So, same thing. 0. So, you and I ain't no different. I'm not better than you. Right? I'm not better than you. I'm not smarter than you. I'm not. So, how could I start a business, an ATM business in 2009 with no money in the bank account? But yet you can't figure out in 2022 how to start an ATM business with no money in your bank account. The big difference was this. I stopped being lazy and I started to think, okay, instead of me saying, I can't start an ATM business because I ain't got no money, I started to think, how can I start an ATM business? Despite the fact that I got no money in my bank account. Right? Just change the way you think about the question. Right? But then you can't just think about it. You can't just say, how can I, and then do nothing. Because if you think about it and you come up with ideas and then you do nothing, you're still going to have nothing. You got to act upon it. Right? So what I did, even though I was in a shit ton of debt, I got a small line of credit. It was a small business line of credit that I had for real estate investing. A really small. I mean, it was probably like $3,000, right? So I used that. It's supposed to be for real estate investing, but I used this small line of credit to start the ATM business. Plus, I'm not even stopping there. Plus 2 cash advances on 2 credit cards that I had. That's how, in 2009, I started an ATM business with no money in my bank account and a ton of debt. Thought about it, right? Now it's what, 13 years later. Was that 13 years? Yeah. Was that a good move? Was that a good move for me to go into more debt to start an ATM business? Yeah. If you've been paying any attention to me and my videos and my progress, yeah, it was a good decision to go into more debt to start an ATM business. But don't think of it as debt. Think of it as this. you're basically leveraging OPM. OPM is other people's money. You're using other people's money to benefit you, okay? Some of you might be like, oh, I listen to Dave Ramsey and I can't do that. I got a whole video on that. Actually, I'll put a link up here on that. I like Dave Ramsey. But I don't like the order he does his shit, right? I'll put a link up here somewhere. You can watch that. You can keep listening to Dave Ramsey if you want to, and keep following his steps, step by step, if you want to. Then maybe when you're 70, you'll be able to retire, with $1 million in your Roth IRA, or 60, or 65, right? Or you can start leveraging other people's money and get your time back and your freedom back way sooner, okay? Because you started a business while doing all the other Dave Ramsey shit, right? But you started a business. You went in a little bit more debt because you're leveraging OPM, business line of credit, credit cash advance or credit cards. I have several students, I'm gonna tell you this right now, I have several students who are killing it with ATMs. I didn't even talk to them about any of this stuff. They did it on their own, right? Because they understand and they thought about it. But they're killing it by using 0% credit cards, right? 0%, you know how you can get credit cards like 0% for like, I don't know, 12 months, 15 months, 18 months, whatever. But that's how they're buying their ATMs. That's how they're, funding their ATM business. Or the ones that have like introductory rates, or you do balance transfers for 0%. That's how they're doing it. They're killing it. And I have one student, Rudy, who he started doing that, right? By the end of 2021, he had paid off all those. So those 12 ATMs, they're now free and clear, right? Clearly, he's reinvesting his profits back into paying everything off, right? He did that the whole year, right? Now in 2022, he's doing the same thing again with more 0% financing cards, right? And he's already bought 5 new machines this year. And his goal is to pay off, I think he wants 12 total more this year. So he'll have 7 more to buy this year. And again, same goal, put all his profits back to paying that off. So by the end of 2022, all his next 12 are free and clear. All by leveraging other people's money, the credit card company, right? 0% financing, okay? So, bottom line, stop telling me you haven't started your ATM business because you don't have any money. I'm tired of hearing the bullshit. Stop telling my team, oh, I can't get started, I don't have enough money, I don't have any money. They're tired of hearing the bullshit, okay? We all know it's bullshit. Everybody knows it's bullshit. I think even you know it's bullshit. It's just now time to make a decision, okay? Time is not on our side anymore, okay? I'm 48, I don't know how old you are. I'll be 49 this year, okay? And I don't know if you noticed, but I've noticed that every time we come into a new year, time goes faster. It seems like the next year comes faster. Whereas when I was a kid, it seemed like it took forever. Like it literally felt like it took forever for me to turn 30, right? It seemed like it took forever for me to finally hit 30. But once I hit 30, shit, time is like, time ain't on our side. So you need to stop fucking around. Seriously, stop fucking around and start. It's 2022. How long are you gonna wait? How long are you gonna keep telling yourself excuses? How long are you gonna let the fact that there's 0 money in your bank account stop you from doing something to make sure you don't have 0 money in your bank account anymore? Okay, all right, so that's it. You wanna think? You wanna think of ways, and there's other ways you could do it besides leveraging OPM, right? You could go out there and bust your ass in a snowstorm. Yeah, you work a job, 9 to 5, 9 to 9, whatever, and then it snows. You can go bust your ass like a kid and shovel driveways, right? You can go in your house, sell all your video games. You're always playing video games and shit, sell it. You can go around your house, everything that you don't use, that's been sitting there for over a year, sell it, right? There's so much shit you can do, right? You just gotta think. That way, the stuff that I just said, obviously it's gonna take longer, it's gonna take more effort on your part, like literally out there shoveling. I wouldn't choose that option for me personally. But That's your choice. But you just gotta think. Stop being lazy. Stop being lazy up here and start thinking of ways you can do things, ways you can start an ATM business despite the fact that you have zero in your bank account. Like I said, me and you, we ain't no different. I'm better than you. I ain't smarter than you. I just decided to think and act upon it. I decided to leverage OPM, right? Am I glad I made that decision? You're damn right I did. Okay, so this is my little love note from me to you this year. Stop being lazy. Start thinking. Stop the excuses. Everybody's tired of hearing them. I hope you're tired of hearing your own excuses, because I know I sure as hell am. Okay? All right, so listen. I know I told you that, you might not like this video, but you need to hear it. So give me some thumbs up. Come on, give me some thumbs up. And in that little corner, click that ATM bell notification. Select always, so every time I make a video, you're first to know about it. All right? And if you'd like me to help you start your own ATM business, then click that link in the description. All right, enter your email, watch that training video, and book a call with my team. They'll figure out if you and I are fit to work together, right? And if you're on my videos and you've watched my videos, you know how I am, right? So if you don't like real talk, you ain't gonna like working with me. You might want to find somebody else who, I don't know, will wipe your ass or, be nice and sweet to you, because it's not gonna be me. I want you to get shit accomplished. You know what I mean? As fast as possible. Anyways, but I am. I think I'm easy to work with. But I will tell you like this. All right. Anyways, so got any questions? Post them below. If you have any ideas for future videos, post them below. Right? I listen to your ideas, guys, and that's how I make videos. But sometimes I make videos like this one that you guys aren't asking me for, but I know you need to hear it. All right. All right. Carey here, signing off. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income. Hey, Carey Buck here. I hope you enjoyed that last video. If you got any questions or comments or even ideas for future videos, just post that below, okay? And do me a big favor. If you have not done so already, give me some thumbs up, some likes for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and select always